How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader Ting. I'm going to talk about VLCN, and I see this happen so many times, guys. Do not fall victim to these pumps and dumps. Of course, there's so much money to be made on VLCN. So much money to be made. But the problem is people are getting in when it's pumping a lot instead of getting in early. So I'm going to show you there is a way to get very close to the bottom for these pumps. And yeah, there's two ways to play. I checked to see if I could short VLCN. There was no share shortable because it hit the EMA 20 right in here, and I kind of figured like this is going to be due for a downside, and that's exactly what we have. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. I look for trend reversals. When the stocks are going down like this, like it's just continuously down, I try to find out where's the stopping point for this to make big gains. As you know, VLCN had a big move up. It went up 43% on the close. After hours, it's up 14%, but this was up well over 100%. And sadly, I'm sure a lot of people are bag holding this, thinking it can keep on going. So, if you're new to the system, or if you like to have the system, I have plenty of education videos on how you can win over 95% of your trades doing this swing trading strategy, and that is a guarantee as I have proof of it. I have been recording my trades, and I know this is a very good strategy. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments to join the Discord. But let me show you guys what I see in VLCN and all that. So we knew the big factor I love to look for, the biggest pumps are going to be the stocks that haven't hit the EMA 20 in some time. As you can see where this arrow is, that's where we're hitting the light blue line. That's my EMA 20. We hit that on May 17. We didn't hit it, the EMA 20 back till June 25th. So we have quite a distance of this gap not getting hit. And then we also have quite a distance of the EMA 10 not getting hit, which is the yellow. We almost hit the yellow right in here, almost to a T, but did not hit it. So we had very conservative targets. As you can see, $6 for the EMA 10, and the price was in the $3 range. Very nice gain. And then the EMA 20 was well in the $10, and we pumped to a high of 12. This stock is always going to be your pump and dump. It's always been. I played this stock before. I know how this thing moves. This thing was always in that criteria. As you can see, look at the same setup we had before the pump and dump. We had right here EMA 20. Look at the gap of not getting hit. Look what happens. We rush right to hit it. And then the same scenario. Look at this gap of the EMA 20 not getting hit. And look what happens, guys. We rush in here to hit that gap. And the same thing happens here. We rush in to hit the EMA 20. So you might ask, well, when do you buy? Because that's the hardest part. And what I'm going to show you guys is the band strategy. I'm going to show you guys the KDJ. And I'm going to show you guys my EMA 5 and 10. And how do we actually get precise entries. So as you can tell, the reason why this stock was really good and for a nice correction up, we had, look at this massive time distance just on the EMA 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we have a little pump. You know, we have a little pump right here that hits it, and then we go back down because we had a 1 for 100 reverse split. 9 times out of the 10, all the time, they do go down, and then they had this pump. It happens a lot. We had the reverse split that makes the stock go down, and then we had this massive pump. I really like this stock on a lower K value. As you can see, this stock it was hitting at a 1.88. Look at this candle. Look at the bottom left where my arrow is right here. 1.88 on the K. That is extremely oversold. And if you guys know my stochastic, I love KDJ because it will never go to zero, and it looks for very, very oversold patterns, and I look for anything less than 3. So we knew we had a massive gain just to hit the EMA 5, and we knew we are going to hit the EMA 10. Did we think it was going to hit the 20 on this day? No. No one can understand that. But like I said, if you're making those consistent returns, that's all that really matters. We were very close to the ATR of 4, but so it wasn't like an A+ setup, but we got very close to it. And VLCN had a nice pump. Remember, a lot of these stock splits, reverse splits, a lot of people buy the day after. You want to wait about a week, let it consolidate in the zone, and then we had the big move up. So that's VLCN. It accomplished all of its duties. Unfortunately, a lot of people are probably back holding if they bought it in this or somewhere in this, or hopefully no one bought it well above the EMA 20s, because I teach everyone we never buy it any price above the EMA 20s. So this system, it works. It has caught a lot of these pumps on these things. As long as you're patient, as you can see, this stock can keep going. If you look at the back history of this stock, it is known for pumps. And a lot of people notice that and they look to get in on those pumps. And that's what we're having here. As you're seeing, look at this to a T. Look at these. You hit the lower band here. You had this lower band here. You have this nice little pump trying to get to the EMA5. We go back to the lower band, trying to hit the EMA5, and look at the pump we hit. Every time you see massive time distance on the EMA20, look at this, massive time distance, and you're correlated with the strategy and how it's supposed to work, you see this massive pump. But you want to make sure you have a precise entry. That way, when you do get in, that you can take advantage of these massive pumps. Because if you're down 20%, 30%, you're just going to want to break even and you won't be able to reap the rewards. So I teach everything in my Discord on how to get precise entries, how to get your chart to set up like this, and how to look for plays just like this and know when to get in and out. If you want to join the premium Discord and make massive money and know how to do this strategy and win over 95% of your trades, this is the Discord for you. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord to be a profitable trader. And I'm telling you guys, I have everything. I've spent over 6 years trying to perfect this strategy. I love trend reversals. I don't like buying stocks when they pump over 100% due to this fact of reason, the rug pull. If I'm going to day trade, or if stock's going up that much, then yes, I have a day trading community where I look to day trade. But most of the time, they're going to be either shorting stocks that ran up really high, just like VLCN. I was looking for the short, or they're going to be buying the reversals on stocks that have just been beaten down. This is a beaten down stock. So please read how to subscribe. Read the avoid scammers when you enter. I'll never DM you or message you first. The easiest way to subscribe is just to go to the server shop on the top left, and you'll see. If you want to trade like a pro, I have the services for you. We have Swing Trading Plus or Day and Swing Trading Plus. The Day and Swing Trading Plus is only $12 a month. You're going to love it, guys. And with this service, you get access to all my subscriptions. You're going to have my alerts that get sent right to your phone. You get a ping. You're going to have my RTK journal. You could see my actual trades I'm in. You can see my win ratios and all of that. And then, like I said, the day trade alerts is for day trades only. So just choose which one you're more comfortable with. Obviously, I'm going to recommend the Day and Swing Trading Plus because you get more alerts for your money. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is VLCN, did exactly what it had to do. It hit the reversion of the mean. And guess what? 9 times out of the 10, it's going to head on down to a new low, and we'll just go from there. Nobody knows where this is going to go, but we try to play those quick reversions to the mean. We know price has to hit the EMA 10 and 20. It hasn't done it in a long time. We had this big gap here, and we had this massive move up. We had a very small K. It was at a 1.88. I wish I would have saw that. I was in other trades, and they've been working very well. So, yeah. I mean, this totally makes sense, guys. It was a fabulous trade, and congrats that everyone got in it. If anyone is bag holding this, you really need to have a proper system because all this made sense of why it's going to go down. So hope you guys join the Discord. You know, you're going to learn a lot. If you guys like this video, give a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel. I love you guys so much. Happy trading. Many blessings to you and your family. And let's make some money together.